Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video we're going to talk about split testing landing pages. We're going to be using Thrive Architect and Thrive Optimize. Now if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell for notification of future videos. Alright, also check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment to see how to do videos just like the one I'm doing here to generate leads and sales for your market. All right, now remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And as I said, today's focus is on split testing landing pages. So let's just jump right into this. So inside your WordPress dashboard, what you're going to have is you're going to have a landing page. So I've done a video on what a landing page is and also how to create landing pages, or I've done videos. So go ahead and check the cards here and also check out the description. There'll be a playlist that talks about this. And for now, we'll just go ahead and we'll create a new page right quick and I will show you how this works, and then we'll talk a little bit about the options as we go along here when we build the pages. So first things first, let's go ahead and just build a page called Split Test. We'll go ahead and we'll publish that. And then as soon as that's published, what we'll do next is launch Thrive Architect. All right, so while that's launching in the background, let me show you here inside the Thrive dashboard. So inside the Thrive dashboard, what you have is you have all the Thrive plugins that you have loaded. So in this case, I have Thrive Comments, Optimize, Leads loaded. And in this case, we're looking at Thrive Optimize. Now, when you click on Thrive Optimize, what it's going to do, it's going to open up the Thrive Optimize dashboard, which is going to show your stats for your A/B split test. As you can see right here, I have one currently running, and over the last 30 days you can see some stats, and then of course you can click here to view those test details. All right, but the thing is there's no way to build the split test from within the Thrive Optimized dashboard itself. So that's why we go back to the page that we created. And as you can see here, that is the page that we created, and we're editing with Thrive Optimize. And you can see a little A/B button down here. But first, let's go ahead and let's change this template to a nice looking lead generation page. And we'll go ahead and we'll use this one because it has a nice headline. Now remember the thing about split testing. When you do A/B split testing, what you're doing is you're testing the conversions of the page. So you want to focus on one element at a time. And in this case, we're going to focus on the headline. So we'll go ahead and we'll save our work here. And we'll just use this template as the test. So that has 5 simple steps to start boosting your website's conversion. So let's go ahead and go with the word revealed. And a colon. Revealed, 5 simple steps to start boosting your website's conversions. And we'll save that. So that's our headline. So the headline is basically, hey, revealed, we have a secret, okay? And then we'll go ahead and hit the create new test. And what that will do is that will launch the A/B split test inside of the Thrive Architect, which is pulling the information in from Thrive Optimize and creating the variations. Now what you have here is you have your split test, which is your control. Your control is the one that is winning. So in this case, it's our A and our B. It's our A, and we're going to create a B. Now what you can do is you can create a new variation, but if you do that, it's going to be I'll just go ahead and click. It's going to be a blank template right here, or it's going to be the default template. So we don't want to do that. We want to go ahead and delete that. Yes, delete. We want to see these little 2 pages here, the symbol for copy. What we want to do is we want to copy or duplicate the split test control page and create a variation. So now you see we have the exact page, because again, what we want to focus on our A/B split test is testing one element at a time. So we'll go ahead and we'll edit that variation. And when that loads up, what we will do is we will change that headline to reflect something else. So we have revealed 5 simple steps to start boosting your website's conversion. So instead of revealed, let's just say something like free report. Free report shows you 5 simple steps to start boosting your website's conversion. Now, of course, you could make these headlines way more drastic, but in this case, we're changing the headline, just the beginning of the headline, to be a revealed, like a secret. So we're revealing a secret versus the word free report to see what kind of results we get. So we'll go ahead and we'll save our work there. And then when you save and exit that, you can go back to your A/B split test at that point, the test dashboard, and now you have those 2 pages distributed traffic evenly, 50% to this page, 50% to that page. So then you go back to your optimized dashboard. Again, that's under Thrive Dashboard, Thrive Optimize, and we'll go ahead and we'll refresh that. And what you'll see here is you'll see the test that we have running. Let me go back to the dashboard and finish setting this up. And you finish setting this up by clicking on the Set Up and Start A/B Test between these 2 pages. So you go ahead and you click that, and you'll see right here the split test name. So in this case, split test headlines. And right here, you can create an enable an automatic winner, or you can just leave it running. We'll go ahead and we'll just leave it running in this case. Of course, if you were to enable a automatic winner, you have to set these conversions and all that information. But we'll go ahead and we'll move on to the next goal. So in this case, we have revenue, we have visit goal, and we have subscriptions. Now you can see down here in the revenue, you're going to see some information here, and it's going to be looking for a thank you page. So what happens in this case is, if you're starting your A/B test and you're using the revenue goal, what will happen is when someone opts into your landing page, or say you were just to have a button for someone to click through, this thank you page would be another page that they would be redirected to. So in this example, if you had one, it would be called like a thank you page. I don't believe I have anything on here that says thank you. So I do have a landing page. Let's see if it'll search real quick and find that. But this page could be anything, because the goal is simply after someone submits their information or clicks on the button and the redirection occurs, then they'll land on this page and that revenue will be counted. So you could say if you have a $10 product, maybe they landed on the download page after the purchase, and then that will set a value of $10. Real quick, I'll show you over on the Optimize or on the Thrive Themes knowledge base. You'll see right here the revenue goal. You can set a certain value per each conversion. What this means is that you need to ask yourself, how much does a conversion value for your business? Then you set that value right here, and then you set the redirection right here, multiple links or buttons. You can actually set variations and multiple goal pages. Okay, so that is the first one, which is revenue. The second one is going to be visit goal page. Again, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to have a page. For example, we could just say 30minutemarketing.net if they were to go back to the home page. So if they were to click on that and reach that goal, that would be the goal they would reach every time they filled in their information on the landing page or clicked through on the landing page. If the goal was just to have them to click through to this landing page, that would accomplish the visit goal page. And of course, if we were go back to the Thrive knowledge base, you'll see right here the visit goal page option works. You need to set up at least one link or button on the variation page that will send the visitor to a different page. Then you need to search for that page or pages if you have multiple links in the goal field. And you can see that occurring right here in their little screen recording. You can see that they're sending it to a thank you page. The other one, and the one most commonly used, is the subscriptions page, which simply measures the number of visitors who submit the lead generation form. So in this case, we go back to Thrive Optimize, we select subscriptions, and simply what this is going to do, it's going to say every time someone subscribes, which means that they filled in their email address and their name and they clicked submit, then that right there is going to be the goal that has reached, and that's how it's going to measure the conversion, or that, right, as it says down here, each variation for the conversion to be counted and measure that goal. So you go ahead and you click Start A/B Test. Then that starts the test and it will load it, and then you go back to your Optimize dashboard and you refresh that, and now we should be able to see the A/B test running inside the Optimize dashboard, and there it is. Split test headline created 18 October 2009, which is today. The test goal is subscription. As you can see there, you have unique visitors and you have conversions. View test details, if you were to click on that. So basically every time a different individual goes to this page, they will be able to see a different copy of the page, and it will record that here, and then you can see who the winner is. And that is exactly what you do to create an A/B split test using Thrive Architect and Thrive Optimize. All right, so if this video was helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me if you think A/B split testing is important or not. And remember to go ahead and check the link in the first comment to see exactly how I'm using the strategy that you see here to operate my business to generate leads and sales. And that's it for today. Again, Gary Baker, 30minutemarketing.net. I'll talk to you later. Bye.